Hi there, welcome back to RT Opensquare. In our first video, we looked at how to create an account or sign up to RT Opensquare. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build your first intelligent dashboard on RT Opensquare. Let's go. The first thing you want to do is to log in. Alright, so after logging in, you want to insert your email and your password. Alright, so once you log in, you can always confirm your profile details in the dashboard section. So I'm going to click on profile, I'm going to click on my account, and here you can see the names, your ID names of your email. Alright, so let's proceed. So I click on project, and in project I click on create new project. It takes me to this section. Then I scroll down, I click on create new project again. Then I can insert any name I want. I can say test, for example, text project. All right, and then while using RT Opensquare, the goal is you want to perform some trend analytics. You want to see some kind of irregularities. It could be a sales data, it could be a revenue data, or it could be a production data. All right, now the next thing that you want to do right now is you want to upload your file. So for example, I'm going to upload a file, a test data. As you can see, if you scroll down here, you have the chart intelligence, you have the data tables, and also I can download my results here. All right, so I'm going to want to upload. I click on upload instantly. So this enables me to save time, saves me money, and enables me or your business to make intelligent decisions very swiftly, without the need to code. As you can see, I have my results already. As you can see, this y-hat is the predicted values. For example, your revenue, your sales, you want to carry out some forecast analysis or trend analysis. So these are like the results on it. And the y-hat lower and upper is just a range, the range of the predicted values. All right. As you can see, you can interpret the results. Although this data is limited, but once you insert your own data, which is going to be more rich, you can get more analysis from it. As you can see, you have different dates. You have this is the timeline anyway, the date timeline. All right. Then one thing to note also is that you need to confirm your data before you upload it to RT Opensquare. All right. Now the first column needs to be a date time column, a date column. All right. While the next column needs to be a numeric column. And how can you confirm this? If you're using a tool like Excel, for example, once you highlight the first column and you right click, you can click on what we call the format cells. When you click on format cells, it takes you to it shows you where you can change that particular column to a date column or to a numeric column. You can always do this on Excel, Alright, so you want to confirm that when you click on, for example, I click on date, it shows me the date time column that I want to. I can use either of these two, and I click on OK. All right. Then when I come to my Y column, I'm going to right click and I'm going to click on number format or cells format, depending on the type of Excel sheet you're using. And I'm going to click on number because I want this column to be a number column. So I click on OK just to confirm that it's a number column. All right. Then you also need to confirm that the first column is labeled as DS. The second one is labeled as Y. This Y is the actual value or the column you want to predict. It can be like sales. You want to analyze your sales data or revenue data for a period of time, or a production data for a period of time. All right. So coming back to the dashboard, you can analyze more. It gives you very instant analysis on your dashboard, on your data, as it were, as you can see, and you can always download the data. After which I can always log out. All right. Thank you for this video, and see you next time.